Wang in 50 by 50 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with pink ribbon crystals that we've sprinkled on the dark pink areas on the canvas. Since this picture has got a pink monochrome sort of look to it, the dark pink would be the pink leaves that we see here. So sprinkle your pink ribbon crystals on those areas, the dark pink areas. And that is mostly around the border of this picture. Pink Season by Yishu Wang in 50 by 50 cm rounds. Special treatment version 2 now adds pink quartz crystals that we've placed on the purple areas on the picture. In this version, we have decided to place most of it on the purple butterfly, on the purple area of the butterfly that's on her hair, as well as the one over here, and then some sections around here on her hair, on the bottom of her hair. So sprinkle it in those purple areas for pink quartz. Pink Season in 50 by 50 cm rounds. Artwork by Yishu Wang. Special treatment version 3 now adds morganite crystals that we have sprinkled on all of the pink areas on the canvas, and this mainly would be on the pink areas of her hair as well as the pink of the flowers around her. So once again, for version 3 we have pink ribbon crystals on the dark pink areas, framing the canvas, representing the leaves. We've also added pink quartz for the purple areas. Those are the two main butterflies, as well as some sections of her hair that's purple. And lastly, in addition to that, for version 3, we also have morganite crystals where we have sprinkled it onto her hair, on the pink areas of her hair and also the pink of the flowers.